Hello everyone, in this video I will be sharing my options, trading performance and strategies for the past 4 months, as well as how I use my trading spreadsheet to analyze and improve my performance. For those who are new to my channel, I have previously made a tutorial video on how to use this spreadsheet, and you can find the link in the description section below. I'm currently trading with a demo account which has a slight difference in field price compared to a real-time account. There are a few reasons for using a demo account at this moment. Firstly, I want to practice my strategies until I am more confident using real money. And secondly, my application for a margin account has not yet been approved by my broker. I highly recommend anyone who is new to trading to use a demo account first until they are confident. The trading dashboard here shows an overall summary of my trading performance over the last 4 months, during which I took only about 7 trades with 71% of winning rate. I achieved a capital gain of over 18%, a total return on investment of over 108%, and a total profit of around $660, which I believe is a decent performance. The dashboard also shows monthly performance such as total profit, return on investment, winning trade, and losing trade. Additionally, it displays which strategy is providing the most profit and which stock is generating the highest profit for you. The main strategies I use for option trading are vertical spread and debit spread such as bear put spread, bull put spread, bear call spread, and bull call spread. I do not prefer single leg options like buy call or buy put, as the upfront cost is high and the winning rate is low. I prefer low upfront cost strategies like bull call spread and bear put spread, as well as credit spread like bull put spread and bear call spread, which allows me to collect credits in advance and have a higher winning rate since they do not require the price to move significantly. I have taken various trades in the past 4 months, as you can see in the spreadsheet. Most of them are credit spread or directionless trades, which has a 100% winning rate. I only took 2 bull call spread trades, both with a 50% winning rate. Bull call spreads are a little bit risky since they require the stock price to move significantly in one direction. I only take them when there is a bullish setup and enter when the risk to reward ratio is over 2. To provide an example, one of the trades I took was on Domino Pizza back in March. The stock price fell significantly after the earning release to the previous established swing low, which it closed with a bullish ice cream bar and coincided with stochastic oversold, which is a strong bullish confirmation signal. Another trade is J&J, a losing trade where I enter the trade a little bit early, thinking that this pin bar closed above the previous swing low, which was wrong. The price continued to trend down until it closed with a bullish pin bar above the March 2021 swing low on last week. It seems like the price will continue to move out in the coming weeks, and I will consider taking a bull call spread on J&J again if the risk to reward ratio is good. If you want to see the trading statistic for each strategy, you can go to the strategy dashboard and select the strategy to build. It shows statistics like profit and loss, average win, average loss, total long or short trade, and shows you which stock is generating the most profit for you with that strategy. With bull put spread and bear call spread, I achieved a 100% win rate over the last 4 months, while bull call spread I achieved around 50% of win rate in the last 4 months. Before I end this video, I would like to share a few takeaways from my trade review. First, it is important to keep a trading journal to record your trading activity and analyze it. This helps you improve your trading skill over time by identifying which strategies are performing well and which need improvement. Additionally, having a trading statistic giving you confidence to trade a certain strategy when the data show you are doing well with it. Second, it is advisable to use technical analysis to inform your trading decision. If you are using a bullish strategy like a bull call spread or single call, wait until a bullish signal appears before entering the trade. Avoid relying on feelings or news. Third, focus on trading only a few strategies, ideally not more than 3 at once. This is because trading too much strategies at once can decrease your winning rate. Start with 1 or 2 strategies until you are familiar and confident with them. Then consider adding new strategy. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any comments or suggestions for future videos, please leave them below in the comment section. Check out the link in the description and comment section below to learn more about this option trading journal. Thank you for watching until the end, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.